there for door.
Come on, go and tell somebody.
Don't be there, come in, I never did like that.
Stand up from there.
Welcome.
Good day.
Have a seat.
Thank you. Hello, good morning, sir.
Morning.
What's popping?
Thank you.
So what's popping?
She's boss. Steve is baby.
Pastor, I came to meet. I came to see you. No, I just left the bank yet.
Yeah.
Not quite love.
You're welcome.
We are brothers.
Yes.
Thank you. So, as I was coming on my way, I'm tired. I'm also thirsty at the same time.
You are testing.
It's not something chill.
Go fast, then. Go and buy.
Pastor.
Use the last card. Go and buy.
You're
welcome, eh? The way you don't smell the same, eh? Okay.
So we have biscuit too.
Bring it.
Brother. You are looking good, eh? Come to the side. Funny. It's okay. Funny. Brother,
Be nice.
Finish.
Let this here. Brother, you're welcome, eh?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're trying here.
Yeah.
When I went there to the ATM, I take out my ATM card, I slot into the machine.
Yeah.
You know what they say?
No.
They say insufficient fund. Pastor, these people really fall my hand.
Say what?
It's insufficient.
You know what I'm saying? You know why I'm supposed to buy that thing from the place, sir?
Pastor.
Who's your pastor?
No sharp. Pastor, what is the name?
Just help me out now.
Guys, no. You know where that thing come?
No, Pastor.
You know where that thing come? Then you come tell me say something.
No, guys, calm down. Let me talk to Pastor.